welcome to Tune In with Poulomi, and for exciting videos do follow me. So I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to create an eye look for you. And yes, the eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use for today's video is the Pretty Faces Canada's eye palette, which I got a couple of months back, and I did make a mini haul video on it as well. On that video I got a couple of requests to create eye looks, so I thought of doing an eye look which you can wear during daytime, during night time, if you want to wear it during office hours or during party time. So I'm going to keep it very simple so that if you are a beginner, you can follow the process easily as well. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and see the pretty and simple eye look I have got for you today from this beautiful palette. This particular palette has got 18 beautiful shades. Few are mattes, few are shimmers. The shimmers you get in here are the blingy ones and some subtle ones. So I'm going to choose the subtle shimmer color so that if you wear it during daytime, as I said, doesn't look over the top, and if you want to wear it the same look during night, it looks gorgeous as well. So before you start any eyeshadow look, it's always good to put some concealer before that, so that when you are creating the look, the colors come out really well. So firstly, I'll start with putting some concealer on the eyes, and let's do that. The concealer, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. It's a very nice one. I'm sure you must have used it. So it's really important to put some base before you use any eyeshadow. So we have done the concealer now. So let's start with the eyeshadow. First color I'm going with is Ravishing. I think it would look a better base than Alluring. So for the base, I'm going with Ravishing over here. So you can see we are getting a very nice base with the color over here. I'll show you with a closer look. Can you see this brown color here? We have got our base now, and it looks really pretty. So we are going with the next color, which is Charming over here. Using a fluffy brush, because with fluffy brush it really gets very easy to blend the color. So here I take Charming. It's really important that you use a fluffy brush for blending. So as you can see now, the colors which I have taken, the first one which was Ravishing and the second one which was Charming, they have blended so well. I personally like to blend the colors. After this, after the blending, after the base and the crease and blending of the eyeshadow, I'm thinking to top it up with this subtle shimmer color which is delightful. So for that you need a hard brush. I'm taking a little bit of Stunning here as well. I think if we mix delightful with stunning, it's gonna look much better. So after the eyeshadow look, I'm going to use my mascara, which is Lash Paradise from L'Oreal Paris. If you are a fan of voluminous mascaras, you must give this a try. It's a really very good mascara to try on. I'm thinking to use this very dark brown color over here, which is elegant. I'll take that color and will try to make an eyeliner with this particular color and would do an under eye look effect as well. So let's try that. Just on the top of your lashes. I always enjoy doing this. I pick up the darkest color of the palette, like if it's in brown or black, and then I try to, make the eyeliner effect with it, with an under eye look as well. So yeah, now I feel the look is complete. So here is the final look. So this beautiful Pro Starry Eyes from Faces Canada is available in the market for rupees 12.99, but sometimes it's on discount, so you can go and check. The look which I have created for you is what I enjoy doing, and I think makeup is very subjective. You should always, follow what you like and be comfortable in it. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this look, do try. Let me know if you did go ahead with these colors and created that eye look for you as well. So yes, I'll be back with a new video for you. Till then, keep subscribing to my channel, tune in with Poulomi, and for exciting videos, do follow me. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.